Okay, it's the 9th, March, on a Saturday. I did a video which you'll see. It's the forecast map here for uh, Pocono Weather 360. And so I decided to move the map out a little further so you can see how the storm develops and moves out. So the radar is a little bit different. So it's not just showing the same radar for you. But as you can see, as we move this on, this is this afternoon. It was a little freezing rain and wet snow up in the Poconos. It's now moving into New Jersey as we get towards the evening hours. Still a very extreme part of Wayne County up here. Still could see some freezing rain, but the sun's not down yet. Please keep in mind tonight, clocks spring ahead 1 hour, 2 o'clock in the morning. Remember that. So you kind of get ripped for sleep in the morning. So it'll mess you up, like messes me up for a couple of days. Um, this moves on. This takes you to the magic midnight hour right around here. You can see the storm is moving away. Nasty weather up here in upstate New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, into Maine, a little bit in Massachusetts. And you can see behind the storm, the cold air, here's the storm, the cold air rotates down over the lakes. Again, the lakes are not icy, the lakes are a little bit warm, strong cold winds blowing over the top of them. And the fact that on Sunday you'll have longer daylight hours, these squalls will bubble up and actually come a little bit further south than normally they would. So we move this to around 5 o'clock in the morning. You can see the squalls are just getting rolling here. It's changed to snow, and it could even be a little bit of snow again up in Wayne County here, but it's into New York. It's changed over to snow for the most part as it begins to curl away. And here's the low pressure system, so it's not in a great spot. That's why we didn't get snow out of this. And then you can see the squalls just getting their act together early in the morning as that sun bubbles them up. You can see this storm is winding up big time up here. So a lot of winds coming down off of the lakes here and up from the north. And these squalls will get their act together as they bubble up during the day. Now this takes you to around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and then you can see the darker colors. These are the stronger squalls. This takes you to around 5, 6 o'clock. They're made it down here to the Reading area, and they will sooner or later get into Jersey. There you go, right there. This is around 7, 8 o'clock in the evening. Actually, it shows here they made it to the coast. But here are the strong lines. And again, um, who gets the snow and how much you get really depends. Like this is midnight. It's starting to die off, as you can see. It loses the sun. The storm moves away, so the winds slow down, so things pull away. And as you get during the midday hour on Monday, we're pretty clear in Pennsylvania. And again, look at the other map, and you'll see how much snow we get. But again, I think everybody can see flurries. North Jersey and most of Pennsylvania can see some flurries out of this, and then other people get the squalls that stick, and you know who you are. And if you looked at the other map, you'll know how much. All right, take it easy. I still see the cold air coming, so we got to wait another 8 days or so, 9 days. All right, take it easy. Don't forget the clocks.